In this video, I want to share with you about how to rename point. The first, we click the VT tool and click create a label, and we click rename point, and you can see the refresh number star and rename point, follow a range point in the order. The first one, we click the rename with the name and the number star. We click the accept and click the select on point or select 1, 2, 3, and you can see the number point follow when you click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if you click the range point in order and click accept, you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 follow a trainer point, and I change the modify in order. We click M and click accept and click the number star, number 2 and number 3 and click number 6, 7. Okay, and click enter. You can see the follow by a range point 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you click uncheck a range point in order, we click accept 1, 2, 3, 4. Let accept. You can see the 1, 2, 3, and 4.